Can you guess what we are making today? Pause the video and put your guess in the comment below. I'll wait. Ram, thank you for suggesting such different cake. I've never had this kind of cake before. What would you like to see bake in the rice cooker? Put it in the comment section below for me. Did you guess correctly? Keep the skin on for a beautiful color, but make sure you wash it thoroughly. I'm using regular cucumber, but we will not need the seeds. I used 1.5 cucumber for my recipe, so depending on the size of your cucumber, you may need 2 or 3. My food processor did not do a very good job, so I'm switching to my smoothie maker. I'm using some cardamom in this recipe, but if you do not like that, just go ahead and replace it with just cinnamon. Well, my camera did not record the cinnamon going in, but you know what it is. Beat the butter and the sugar until light and creamy, about 2 minutes or so. Make sure you stop occasionally to scrape the sides and the bottom. And then add the egg one at a time, beating about 1.5 minutes between each egg. And just as a reminder, I do have the full written recipe, the instructions, and oven baking right in the description box below, so be sure you check that out for any last minute update. Now fold in the dry ingredients in thirds, alternating with the cucumber puree. And just beat it for a quick 30 seconds between each add. Don't overmix this. And if you're brand new to baking in your rice cooker, I do have some important tips at the end of every video. And they are there to help you be successful in baking in your rice cooker. So do check that out at the end, okay? Did you know I release a new video every Saturday? Make sure you don't miss any new recipe by subscribing to my channel. Do connect with me on any of your favorite social media platform. All my links are at the bottom of the description box below. And the food coloring is completely optional. I'm using this apple green. It does give this beautiful green to it. And this is our batter. It is very thick and creamy. You can grease or line your pot for easy removal. Smooth out the top as much as possible. And let's start our bake. Put a paper towel on top to catch condensation. And for my rice cooker, one bake cycle is about 5 minutes in hot heat in the cook status, and then it will go into warm. So I do set a timer to remind me to come back and push the cook button again. After 30 minutes later, you will need to repeat this bake cycle until your cake is done. And your cake is done when a toothpick inserted into the middle comes out clean with no batter on it. If you are not going to frost this cake, let it cool for about 20 to 30 minutes before cutting it. I am going to make a cucumber buttercream frosting, so I need to let this cake cool completely, and that could be between 2 to 3 hours. Camera did not record. And I will really love it if you click that like button if you enjoy the video and the recipe. Please do share my videos on your favorite social network. And be sure you leave a comment below to let me know what you're baking in your rice cooker or what you would like to see me bake in my rice cooker for you. Make sure you squeeze out all the juice from the cucumber. I release a new video every Saturday. Be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button if you have not done so. That way you will not miss any delicious recipe when I release them. And I will not bore you with my terrible cake frosting. Frost the cake however you want, or just dust it with some powdered sugar. I'm going to top it with additional chopped cashews as well. And just looking at that beautiful green color. It's like a minty green. And don't keep this wonderful baking method to yourself. Share it with your friends and family on your favorite social media network, because I do want to spread the word that you can bake in your rice cooker without heating up your house with the oven. And this cake is soft and crumbly, but it's not dry at all. It definitely has the refreshing taste of the cucumber, not very strong, and the shredded cucumber in the frosting just add that crunch to it along with the cashew nuts on top. This is a great alternative way to use up that cucumber. Let everybody guess what this cake is made from. Bet you nobody will be able to. The base cake is a medium sweetness level, and with the frosting, it is definitely sweeter. And if you're watching me on YouTube, there will be additional videos coming on screen now. Make sure you click on them and watch more delicious recipes. Otherwise, I do have additional links in the description box below for more recipes as well. So until next time, happy baking in your rice cooker, everyone.